parents who are present here. I'm really very proud to see my student acting as a principal, which should really happen in future also. I just pray Almighty that this school is to be taken up by my own student as a principal will definitely make me feel very happy. But I don't know whether that could be done by Shamira because she aims to become a doctor. But this thinking of making a student a principal for a day, on Children's Day of course, will definitely make other students to think that why can't I be in the place of Shamira? How could I become the same, how could I take up the same post as a principal on Children's Day? So what are the qualities you have to possess within you if you want to be a principal? See, this girl Shamira, she's been with us right from kindergarten and she is now at the verge of completion of her 12th standard. And from the day one, she has been a very, very sincere student and her parents were so lovable and much attached to the school. Her family members, almost all the students studied in our school, and I'm very proud that her parents, father and mother, both of them used to attend all the parent-teachers meet without missing even a single meet. And they used to observe like where the kids are doing good, how the school is doing good, where the school has to improve, how the school has to improve. All such points and valuable points would be given by the parents, especially the mother. Such a lovely mother she has. And even we can't say that she is much learned, but she is a learned lady of course, but she spends time for the kids to see that she's got two daughters. The elder daughter also studied here and she's doing her nutrition in post-graduation in Chennai. Yeah, in Chennai. And her name is Sajita Mariam. Yeah, Sajita Mariam, and she was also a very, very obedient, lovable child. And both of them belong to a very good family, a good background of the family, and a very obedient, humble. I can just keep on adding adjectives for Shamira. So that is the reason she has been an all-rounder in this campus. And definitely she will be missing us, missing the school, missing the teachers, and definitely school life will be a wonderful life for the students. If anyone we come across, any student, the passed out students, they used to say, man, school life is the best life for us. Because college, they come from different areas and they are together for 3 years or 4 years. That's it. But school life, it is nearly for 15 years from pre-KG till 12th standard. And these 15 years of friendship will be forever. And what they learn as students and how they move with teachers and all plays an important role in the life of the kids. And today being like, tomorrow is the Children's Day, but as she said, it is advanced because it's a Sunday, we are celebrating today. And the most important quality of the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, he was a great orator, in the sense a great reader. He used to read a lot of books. She said a point to be taken into consideration, that was self-love, that you have to love yourself and you have to have confidence within yourself. But let me tell you that is a very important concept. Unless and until we love ourselves, we cannot proceed further to become a successful person in life. It's for sure. The concept what she took was very good. Hats off to you, Shamira. Yeah. Because many forget about that. We don't think of ourselves. We don't think of the ability what we have. And even if sometimes the teachers fail to motivate you, as she said, you have to make yourself confident, thinking the qualities what you possess within yourself, which is very important. Maybe failures, the first time it may be a failure, doesn't matter. Failures are the stepping stones. Failures make you learn many things in life. You have to understand that. But then being the Prime Minister, first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, was reading lot of books, and that has made him speak a lot in various occasions. So, in order to stand before a crowd, to speak well before a crowd, what are the qualities one should possess? That is also equally important. The qualities what you have to have is that you have to be a reader. You have to read newspapers. You have to read storybooks. You have to be you have to have, according to the age, maybe fiction books. Likewise, it's not that your science books, your maths books alone you have to read. We don't say that. But you have to read topics about politics, how it is going on. Everything must be known to the children. Sometimes we don't know, even my own student can become a president or a prime minister. We don't know, even a politician, we don't know. So how could you have to think what should be your aim and how should you strengthen yourself to become a good orator, to become a good reader. It can be in Tamil, it can be in English. Yesterday when Pon Loshini was reading, like when she was expressing herself, that was the first time for her to present for the elocution competition. Of course, it was a district level wise. The date given was very, too little a time was given, which was not enough for her to prepare. But then I told her, don't worry my child, you can present before our children first, you can speak in front of our children, and definitely you will be honored for it. And let that be the first platform for you, and the second platform will definitely follow hereafter. It can be in the school or it can be in your college also. That is what the way I motivated. Earlier she was feeling a bit sorry for the way in which I approached her. Then she said, ma'am, I explained to her, because the Tamil medium students, they'll be very good enough to speak well, because it is their vernacular language, and even half an hour time is very comfortable for them to prepare. It's not that we have to prepare anything. So that failure shouldn't make you suppress. And when you speak in front of our kids, definitely that confidence will help you to become a good orator. So what I want to tell you, dear children, read books, spend time for reading, watch television wherein that can enhance your skills, your listening skills, maybe the news which can help you to become successful. And be patient enough. And tolerance also is one of the important quality what you have to possess. Punctuality is something important in your life. And of course I end up with self-love, as Shamira said. So when you have all these qualities within yourself, definitely I feel that you can be successful in your life. So every plan of yours can rise up and build up a great nation, because as youth, you are going to build up the citizen of tomorrow. So I really thank the opportunity given to me, and this is a wonderful opportunity for Shamira too, and maybe let my children think I have to be present for the next year as a principal. We don't know who is going to be that. Let that question be in your mind. With that I take leave. Thank you.